Alright, so we have Monopoly. It is Shop and Win. They give this to you from shopping at Vaughn's and some other places. They give $230 million in prizes and money saving offers. So mostly all I ever get is a bunch of coupons. So we're going to see if I can get lucky and get anything besides coupons. This is 50% off Rice-A-Roni. Alright, so that was not a big winner. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Alright, can we get anything else? 50% off Prego pasta sauce. Alright, so here we go. Zoom out a little bit. Don't want you to have to stare at my giant fingers all the time. Alright, we got a play and enter a scan for something. Okay, so this is a chance to win, I guess, $100,000 or something, or win stuff. So not sure what that one does. Okay, so if I think what you do is you scan it and it gives you like a game token, and if you get a certain number of the tokens, you win a prize just like Monopoly. Alright, this one is another one to scan, so that one gives you a chance to win if you get enough of those tickets, and then you win whatever that prize is. This is another one of the scan codes to win. So I guess actually the 50% or the 50 cents off coupons that I got on the first two, those are discount savings that you get. This is 50 cents off a bag of Cheetos. So Cheetos. Now that one I'll probably actually use, and maybe the pasta sauce. I'm not sure about the Rice-A-Roni. Okay, another play to win scan code. And this one is 50% or 50 cents off San Pellegrino sparkling mineral water. Okay, I've never had that before, so do not know what it is or how it is. Alright, 50 cents off Starbucks K-Cup coffee. Do not have one of those, don't really drink coffee, so don't know if I'll ever use that. I give it to a friend. Okay, play to win, scan to get the code. Now last year when I played this, I got a bunch of free things for photos and stuff, and never used them. 50 cents off Coke, Sprite, Seagrams, or Barks. Okay, so again, might be one I might use. I had 17 of these. Alright, this is the scan to get the code entry. I think I had 17 of them. You get them based on how much you spend at the grocery store. Here's another one to scan the code into the app. Okay. And this one is another scan the code. So I'm not sure if this gives instant winners. Well, I guess if you get the prize where it gives you something for free, I guess that's a winner. But so far, all I've got is discount coupons and prize entries. Here's 50 cents off Coke again. And so I'm getting a lot of coupons and scan entries. This one. Okay, this one is a play entry, so I got those. I'll go into this thing and scan them, and if I win anything, I will post it on at the end here. And so this is a play to win thing. Play to enter scan, so you can win prizes. So we'll have to check it out and see. Alright, and it expires on May 18th, so I guess this runs until then. So I will put these entry coupons in and let you know if I win anything on that. So I went to the grocery store again and got more of these Monopoly tickets, and most of them turn out to be coupons. Now this one here is the app, so what you do is you scan the code And when you scan the code, it gives you a chance to win a prize, or it gives you points. And those points that you get are able to be spent in drawings. Okay, so right here, here's a discount coupon for Jack Link's beef jerky. Now that one actually sounds interesting. And the way you get these tickets is you just go shopping for groceries like you normally do at Vons or Albertsons. And I think it's a yearly game that they do. This one gives more entries, possibly an instant win. What they do is they give it to you based off of how much you spend on groceries. And then they have certain items. This is another one where you get points. And then you have certain items that they'll give you like bonus tickets for. So if you buy a certain grocery item at the store, it'll give you an extra entry thing. So here's 50 cents off of Folgers ground coffee. And so that's it. I mean, it's kind of a little fun game. You get to hope that you can win something. And this year, so far I've already got the thing that was, there's $1 off of calzones. All right. They've got one of the photo websites that gives you free photo stuff. Okay, here it is, Shutterfly 5x8 notebook. Okay, I have no idea what that is, but this year I'm going to actually use these winning tickets to figure out what they are. So I will let you know how that works out. And let's see. There's another one that you get the play to win thing, or play. You get your points, and you get, like I said, if you get a certain number of codes or whatever, it'll give you like an instant win. Here's 50 cents off Dr. Pepper 7-Up A&W. What is that? 20-ounce bottle. Okay, so it's like a single bottle. So they're not huge coupons, but most coupons aren't. Okay, here's another entry one. And then, like last year, I ended up with about 10 of those free Shutterfly things, and ended up not turning them in and not using them. There's another entry. And so this year I've decided I'm going to figure out something to do and try it. See if it's a gimmick or see if it's good. Okay, 50 cents off orange juice. Alright, looks like I'm getting down towards the last of this group. And I'll go ahead and combine this and the other ones that I had. Okay, here's a free Shutterfly cotton tote. Now I got this one off of the last group that I had. When I entered these codes for these, they gave me a free Shutterfly cotton tote in there. So I already have one of these in the system. I guess it's an online tracking thing of what you want and stuff. So when you scan them in, you do it that way. I'm not sure how you redeem them, if it gives you a code or what, but I will let you know. And here's another one that's entry where I can get the points and stuff. Alright, so that is it for now, and I will do a follow-on to show how the free winning things work and how they come out. Alright, thank you for watching, subscribe if you like, and have a good day.